Let's do it. We're going to take a look at some Montgomery Wards shotguns. This is a Western Field 12 gauge pump shotgun. It's the model 30 SB 562A, built by Savage. And here we have the Western Field Model 40N, also a pump 12 gauge. This one is built by ING, and it's got the adjustable choke compensator on the end of it, up there. And then here's a Montgomery Ward, a Western Field 410 pump. Model XNH 48C, built by Noble. And then we've got a single shot breakover. It's a Western Field, call it the Hercules. Hercules. It's just a single shot 410, actually built by Savage. And here we have a bolt action 410. It's a Western Field, model M150B, built by Mossberg. Before you leave, don't forget to stab that subscribe button. If you're curious about the live show schedule here on CloverTac, it's listed right here. And if you want to help support CloverTac, you can do that by shopping with any of the businesses over on CloverTac.com.